Today marks a milestone moment for one of Australia's biggest automotive design houses to celebrate 10 years of innovation, design and performance. This BMW M2 will be taken from its original state into something entirely bespoke to bring you something that is just truly exclusive. With signature performance, styling and craftsmanship Mode is renowned for. This car will then be auctioned on Collecting Cars for one very special and lucky automotive enthusiast to enjoy a true piece of automotive history. This isn't just a build though. It's a celebration of 10 years of performance, precision, and pushing the boundaries. And the best part, you're coming along for the journey. Subscribe, follow, and turn on your notifications because next, we show you what 10 years of mode design truly looks like in its purest form.